back to Christy Planning It Out. I'm Christy, and if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you've been here before, and welcome back. Okay, so we're in my Hobonichi Cousins. If you see this notebook cover, it is usually an indicator that I am planning in my Hobonichi Cousin AVEC, and we're planning for the month of May. And here's a quick view after pen from last week. But we're planning for May 12th through May 18th. So let's get into it. This week, I am using a printable kit, me and my printables, right, from Ilove2print. Now, I printed this and bought this before Ilove2print um, left went off of Etsy. Ilove2print is not currently at their own website, and I'll make sure I tag them in the description below. But this is a actually this is a kit that I purchased since the new release. I think I'm not sure. I have to go back and check. So we're going to use this sticker kit for this week plans. And I'm going to start with framing my page. I usually start with bottom washes and get those all on. And I think this is the academia kit. I can't quite remember how to check. I'll make sure I put it in the bottom in the description, the exact name. So if you want to look at it, I did purchase this and then print and cut on my own personal silhouette. I enjoy printable stickers because it's an instant gratification. When I see it, I don't have to wait. I purchase from sticker companies as well, but I just haven't done it lately. I've already had some of these. I have a printer, and I also have had a silhouette. I've had a silhouette for about 7 years, almost 8 years now, and it is still kicking out all the things I need to use it for. So my husband told me, like, you get your money out of that. And I didn't even buy it. So my daughter bought it as a birthday gift, but I have used it ever since. It's probably one of my most used birthday presents that I ever have. I think it's at the top, somewhere at the top. So we did have a little faux pas with the stickers the first time around. So I got to make some adjustments here. Let me see. Gotta make that work. Let me see what we have here. Get my tweezers. This was on me. I think it cut and I wasn't aware that it got off track, and I caught it right after it made the inappropriate cut. But we can fix that. After it's all laid down, it's not even gonna matter. So let me get these headers down. So we have the days of the week. And I hope your week is going well. Um, we are kicking away at May. I know schools are getting ready to get out for the summer. If you have school age kids, colleges are letting out. Um, College kids are taking their finals and things, and it's just about to be that summer vibe soon enough. Time is flying by, and as always, like every year speeds up a little faster. You know, they say as the older you get, the faster it goes by, and I have not seen a lie yet. So let's talk about what's going on this week. Um, I am busy working. Oh wow, I've been working some long days, and it's taking its toll on me. But I'm grateful to have a job because that story could go a whole different way. So I'm not complaining. Um, Let me get some stickers. I am going to use a sticker sheet that I have numbers from sticker Hive Sticker Company because I have extra stickers there. So we're gonna put these numbers down. This you have the things, use the things. It came in handy a lot because I have been using these stickers in just about every kit. So why not use these extra stickers? So they're a neutral color and they blend right in. Um, Also, let's see what else is going on. I'm just trying to stay with the plan of getting things together in this house as we amp up our summer of being really busy with preparing to home purchase and preparing to move. The real ID thing happened, and I ended up deciding I'm going to get a passport because I just need the passport. I never had a passport. Um, I've been out the country. I've been to Canada plenty of times, but I just didn't need a passport at that time. I lived in Michigan, so you could just go back and forth across there without any trouble or dilemma. You didn't need a passport. And then shortly after 9/11, they changed that. You do need to have a passport. So I am going to get me a passport. So I made my appointments and everything. Also, um, it is May and we already passed Mother's Day. Mother's Day was just this past weekend, and that was nice. It was a nice, relaxing day for me. I couldn't complain. Now I'm going to work on this sidebar. I did mess up with this kit by not catching it slipping off my mat. I need to purchase a new mat. That is on my to buy list. And so that's what caused me to do a little different with these stickers. So I'm going to build a midway point between my day because I'm usually at work in the morning all the way up to like the 5:30 mark or 6 o'clock mark. Lately it's been later than that, but I don't need the upper section as much as I need just to have space to write things in and keep up with what's happening that day. Um, my weeks are often fluid, but I'm going to make it work. As far as everything else, I know there's an appointment this week, and I have to make a couple of phone calls I can't forget about. So I'm going to, even though I put them in my other planner, I'm going to also list them here. So let's put this violin down here. I think this is a nice touch. We can just use this sticker here and then frame in the rest of the sidebar. I love to print kits because they're easy to do and they don't have like excessive amount of stickers. You still have a good remaining amount to write things into the actual planner and still be decorative at the same time. So I can appreciate that um, variety of the type of stickers that are included in the kit. So I'm putting my habit trackers in, and this is just usually for my medication and vitamins. I did start taking a different medication that I have to take in the middle of right before noon, and so that has been going well. I put a reminder on my iPhone so I won't forget outside of what's in my planner. So if we just double down on the reminders, we'll get there. So I've had a successful week of taking my medicine on time and not forgetting it. So I'm proud of that accomplishment. I do need to make a phone call this day. So, and then we're going to put this list sticker here for the week. We'll do that. Let me see. First, let me find a banner to put it under because I want to put a label across there. They'll say something like this week. So we'll put that there and we'll put this here. This is like a quick glance of things that's going on and I want to make sure I don't forget. So I'll put that title there. And that's what I'll use that sidebar for. And then we're going to put some stickers down for appointments and things to remember. So My daughter has a pre-op appointment on Thursday. And then I have some more stickers by Ilove2print. She sells icon stickers, and I really love that. So I'm going to put this little stethoscope. Words are hard. Today has been a draining day, but I was determined to record this video and just not give in to what I really want to do is lay down and go to sleep. But it's been an emotional day, and I don't want to go into it too deep, but my fur baby did cross the Rainbow Bridge this afternoon, and I'm still processing it. And I knew it was coming. So I just don't have the energy, but I'm trying to keep my voice steady, but words are hard. And just, I know he's in a better place. And he was our, our fur baby for 15 years. And it was just a little old man, but yeah, we did the right thing. So I talked to my mom, and we worked through it over the phone. I did have a moment with her, and then my children that don't live here in the state with us, I had to talk to them as well. So that was an event. I'm going to put on here. We're going to binge watch. Not binge watch. We're going to start watching. We probably start sooner than that. So I'm candidating for like in between the NBA playoffs because that is what my husband likes to do in the evenings. And but we're supposed to start watching Mobland, so we'll see. I'm gonna put that right there, and then let's see here. Sunday, we know Sunday. What we do on Sunday is go to church. So we put that over here. All right, so I added my stickers for church and a small grocery shopping haul, and just gonna put a couple more stickers down. Let's see, just do coffee because that's what we're gonna need to make through this week. A couple more reminders here, and payday there. So I pay some bills. I have a sticker here. Bills due. Sleep in on Sunday mornings. Well, to 9, because my normal time of getting up is usually 6 in the morning. So any day I can sleep in past 6, that's the move. So to clean, and let's write in some stuff, and we'll be done with this planner setup. So we'll write in. So, I don't have a whole lot going on except an appointment and a few phone calls. So this is my spread for the week of May 12th through to May 18th. This is a kit from Ilove2print, and I'll have all their information down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you feel like it could be helpful to another person. Please share the video with a friend or a family member, and I appreciate that. I appreciate your time and spending time with me. You could be watching any YouTube video, but you decided to stick around and watch my video and me planning my week out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know when the next video comes out. And I'll see you in the next one.